Collier comes up with the puck behind the net. Over to Otten. Puts it back to Collier. Collier is going to run into trouble with Wang. Westman will dump that right in on net for Wareham, and it goes in the net! Fires from the point, deflected, goes off a leg as Kellerman will glove that down. Gets another shot saved by Wareham. Back to Knight. Tomchak fires Wareham, and he gets the rebound as Fogel makes. So with 5:22 to play here in the second period, it's a 2-0 game. Wolverines on the power play. Puts it down low back to Sisa. Steps in, fires, and scores! Perrin. It'll come out to center for Sisa. Nelson will dump that in and change. Sisa and Nelson head to the bench. Back out to Livingston at the point, fires, deflected in front, they score! Perrin! Face off to the blocker, hand side of Kunik. Stone to win that back to Livingston. In front, turns and fires, scores! Farthing makes it in, but stopped at the blue line by Thomas. Farthing carries it in on his backhand. With it now behind the net. Off the wall. Drops it back to Nelson. Nelson shoots, and he scores!